first thing you will see calibration pH. If you will calibrate pH, you press enter. If you're not calibrating pH, you go to the next page, you press F button. F button. Calibration chlorine. Okay. CLJ. So that is chlorine. We will calibrate chlorine. Make sure when we are calibrating chlorine, there is water flow. No, there should be a water circulation. Don't calibrate without the chlorine, without water circulation. For pH, you can, because you need to remove this one, and you need to dip it in the bottle. So you can close the bottle. Only for chlorine. So we enter, you will see this is your reading, 3.17. Our reading, 2.55. Okay? You'll just press down arrow. It says measure, the measurement of your sensor. We press down arrow. It will say in aqua or in water. What is in the water? What is the reading in the water? So our reading in the water is 2.55. Then you can adjust down arrow, make it 255.
This is manual calibration.
Sir? This is calibration sensor. If you want to make So 255. You see that last digit, if it's above 5, it will round off the next digit. So we press enter. So that's it. We will come out, same thing how you come in, press and hold enter. See, it round up to 2.6 because the last digit is 5. So 255, it will round up to 2.6.
This is calibration method.
Yeah, this is calibration method. That is the first one. The second one, the shortcut version that you can teach to your technician. No